Wecon CNC Motion Control System can be divided into 6 layers. The first 3 layers are controller software, Wecon CAM-aided design software, HMI information layer, vision layer composed of typesetting and positioning. These 3 layers form the execution layer, with PLC, servo, motor, etc., providing kinematic support for robots with 5-axis, 6-axis Puma 560, 5-axis, 6-axis gantry, and 4-axis SCARA structures, realizing 3-axis milling machine, 5-axis bridge cutting machine, drip molding machine and other applications. This system is adopted with Wecon MC series motion controller. Wecon VD3 bus series servo supports the controller. Wecon CNC controller supports various functions. Supported by Wecon CAM auxiliary design software. A variety of processing modes are available. Variable mechanical models. Taking the 5-axis bridge cutting machine as an example, system is equipped with a 5-axis gantry kinematic model. Forward-looking motion planning enables the equipment to have the ability of 5-axis linkage. Equipped with Wecon CAM auxiliary design software. One click to import the XF drawings. Auto-calculate toolpath and compensation. Improve running efficiency. The system has these features: trajectory planning, modular HAL layer, EtherCAT, standard G-code interpreter, steady running, easy operation. A complete set of cost-effective motion control solutions is provided.